for Wind in the Trees? We are going to play fingers 2 and 3 for this song, okay? And they go on a group of 2 black key notes. And you get to play high on the piano for this one, okay? So, it's going to be a quiet song at the beginning, and then it gets loud for the forte here, and then it's quiet again at the end, okay? Now, you might be able to hold down that pedal, the damper pedal, the one that goes 1, 2, 3, or 1, 2. Okay, not number 1 pedal. It's the next one up. Hold it down for the whole song. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, ready, play. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Now it's loud. Take your foot off the pedal, and your song is over, and you've done a fantastic job. Keep practicing. Show it to your teacher and press the socks off of them. Take care. Bye-bye.